Introducing CLIQ, the future-proof locking solution for small to medium-sized businesses. There's just one key profile for all your CLIQ systems, so you can keep them in stock for quick delivery. Simply configure keys and cylinders through the CLIQ Express software and upload the system data to the cloud. Then deliver the keys and cylinders to your customers whenever they are needed. All the electronics are in the cylinder, and the power comes from a battery in the key, so there's no wiring to do, making installation easy and straightforward. CLIQ takes access control to the cloud, giving you and your customers a quick and flexible way to manage the locking system via an app. As an optional service, you can administer your customers' security wherever you are, while your customers can view updates and manage the system at any time via the app. The CLIQ solution, your key to faster, more efficient customer service.